Hello, Amar Kumar Paswan. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. So, Amar Kumar Paswan, take the question.
Sir, please decode GR their word.
Okay. So, guys, he is Amar Kumar Paswan from Samastipur, Bihar, and right now he is asking that how can we build the sentence according to their word. Guys, their word means according to past time and according to plural nouns. So guys, if you want to build the sentence according to past time with the plural noun, then it's 100% possible. It's very easy. How? I tell you. For example, girls. Is that clear? Girls. There were girls. Boys. There were boys. Farmers. There were farmers. Leaders. There were leaders. Kings. There were kings. Queens. There were queens. So guys, you are looking and observing that in all sentences we are using their word. Why? According to past time. And guys, we are using word. Why? Because according to plural noun. So guys, if you like this year, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky and the funny video, then you can follow us and you can visit us 8 our social media website, which is www.navea.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Thank you.